Okay, we're at a MDU in Allentown, Pennsylvania at 302 South 15th Street, and trying to work on putting the corner mold up, the inside corner on the hinged overlay crown mold. Obviously it's a rough surface wall, real life type application. I back the screws out as instructed. So I go ahead and I clip the top in and try to push this down, which is still quite difficult to do even with those screws backed out, because the molding has a tendency to want to push back to the wall. So I'm pushing, trying to click, and with that, my first tab bent back in a direction that it shouldn't have, and now as I go to try to get any kind of resistance, it's gone. So that's just another piece of molding, probably the third one I've tried, that is going to need to be tossed and a new one started. So I'm not saying that the corners are perfectly straight, certainly not a classroom type condition, but this is a struggle, and Verizon's getting billed for all the extra time that these contractors are spending on these corners. So I just want to get as much info as I can, as much detail as I can, and forward it on to you guys at Multilink so we can see if there's a better solution. So that's what we're dealing with. Even if in a good situation, if we can get this up first time and get it clicked in with those screws backed out, that molding is now going to be pulled away from the wall. So once that were to be clicked in, I don't know how I would go back in and get that screwed back down with that screw backed out. So looking for some help. So appreciate it.